Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which device and accounts use this phone number, because that narrows attack surfaces. Next, collect recovery emails, usernames, and recent login times. These items let you spot unauthorized changes. While doing this, switch your phone to airplane mode and use a secure Wi-Fi or hotspot so network interception is minimized. Once done, make sure you have password access to at least one linked account. If not, you'll pivot to carrier and account recovery steps next. You should now comb through account activity. Check sent messages, login history, and devices that have two-factor authentication or SMS forwarding enabled, because attackers often add a device or change 2FA. Then contact your mobile carrier's online portal and review recent SIM or number change requests and login IPs. Unauthorized SIM swaps are common. Simultaneously, scan your phone for unknown apps and elevated permissions, and remove anything suspicious. This prevents persistent access after you regain control. Finish by resetting passwords for all linked accounts, revoking active sessions, and reconfiguring two-factor authentication using an authenticator app rather than SMS, because it's more secure. If the SIM was swapped, request a reissue from your carrier with ID verification. Insist on a fraud lock. Once secured, enable security alerts and monitor closely. If things go wrong, immediately escalate to carrier support and file a fraud report with timestamps and screenshots so investigators can restore service and chase the attacker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.